Mitral regurgitation, MR. MR severity is often assessed using multiple criteria, including jet area, vena contracta, and flow reversal. However, one crucial factor that is often overlooked is the duration of regurgitation during systole. How do you estimate this MR severity? Have you considered the duration of MR when assessing its severity? Now, let's examine the color and mode view. In this mode view of the mitral valve with color Doppler superimposed, we can see that MR is limited to early systole. Therefore, its intensity is likely less than that might have been initially estimated. In another example, this MR appears less severe compared to the first one. But considering the duration of MR reveals that it's actually pensystolic. It means this MR might have been underestimated. How do you interpret mild intensity MR that lasts throughout systole? Despite its lower intensity, the holosystolic nature implies it could be more significant clinically. What's your opinion about this MR? It's holosystolic with more intensity in the early systole. Many cardiologists focus primarily on jet intensity but overlook whether the MR occurs during early systole, late systole, or throughout the entire systolic phase. What do you think of this video? It shows a late systolic MR, which actually lasts for less than half of the systolic phase. In fact, it's much less severe than it might first appear. Paying attention to the duration of MR is essential, because a brief, intense jet can seem more severe, while a mild-looking jet that persists throughout systole may have a greater clinical impact. Now, do you think this MR is early, late, or pensystolic? Let's take a look at the color and mode. It's a brief early systolic MR. I hope this tip in echocardiography proves helpful in your practice. Stay tuned for more insights and tips in the art of echocardiography.